Here we are at HY Solar Booth.
This is a new company entering the field of PV module. Headquartered in Wuxi, HY Solar's activities cover the production of equipment, silicon material, wafers, cells, and modules. With a strong R&D team, the company has a commitment to technological innovation. Hello, could you tell us what are the main products HY Solar is showcasing at this year's exhibition? Could you tell us a bit about each of them?
Yeah, it's my honor. Welcome to HY Solar Booth. We are a vertically integrated company that is starting from the metallurgical silicon to the polysilicon to the wafer, cell, and the module production. We didn't show our metallurgical silicon here, but however, we have our polysilicon, the granule, which is applying the FBR technology, and also our chunk, which is applying the Siemens technology both. We have around 150,000 metric tons metallurgical silicon in the upstreams, and also both for the polysilicon production, we have around 100,000 metric tons. And we are using both polysilicon to produce our wafers, which I will go to show you the wafers over there. Here is our wafers. We have the 182 size, and also we have the 210 size both, which is also the P-type and the N-type both. We have around 75 gigawatts wafer capacity, which is definitely the top five wafer makers in this industry. So if you have any wafer size or any wafers requirement, just come to us. Yeah. We will provide you the high technology and high quality wafers here. And here's our wafers. Let's move to the cell. Yeah. For the cell production, we now currently planned around 30 gigawatts on the construction, and the first phase is 16 gigawatts located in Xuzhou. Yeah. And for the technology, we are applying the TOPCon. The TOPCon 182 and the TOPCon 210. And we are going to be in mass production in coming July. Let's move to the module section. For the module, we have both N-type and P-type both. Here is my honor to introduce you the TOPCon by double glass, which is widely used in the solar plants. Yes, and it has a very, very good advantage that showing here. Yeah, the bifacial rate is more than 85%, and with the high efficiency is more than 22.6, with output more than 585 watt peak per piece. And this is being in the mass production in coming July in our Jiangyin factory. Yeah, for the Jiangyin factory, we have around 20 gigawatts on construction, and the first phase is 5 gigawatts. And here's also the P-type modules. Here is the P-type modules, the 210 size, which is also actually we are on the delivery of this size modules to our clients already. Here's our single glass modules with the TOPCon technology here, with the efficiencies more than 22.6, and also the output rate is showing here more than 2% than the standard products. Also for the residential, we highly recommend for the residential parts the full black modules here. Here's P-type, but if you have the demand for the N-type, yeah, we can produce a 440 watt peak or to the 450 watt peak using the TOPCon cell. Here's also the 210 P-type modules, which is on the delivery now. Thank you again for coming to HY Solar. We are a vertically integrated company, starting from the metallurgical silicon down to the module production. We will be your best choice. Trust us, give us a chance, and you will be happy about this. Thank you.